told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Thank you for returning to the channel. Jada Adriana Olivarez is a beautiful young woman who is quickly becoming a social media star and a rising star in the modeling industry. Passion, ingenuity, and self-assurance can transform mundane starts into remarkable chances. Her story exemplifies this well. Posting regular material on platforms like Instagram and TikTok was the simplest method for Jada to launch her modeling career. Her captivating on-camera demeanor, daring fashion choices, and eye-catching photographs caused her formerly lighthearted uploads to swiftly gain traction. Her unique personality helped her content go viral, and before long, brands began to notice her influence. The unique combination of Jada's conventional modeling career with her contemporary influencer lifestyle is what makes her stand out. From well-rehearsed fashion photos and chic wardrobe ideas to casual lifestyle updates and views into her day-to-day, she offers her viewers it all. She manages to be both attractive and relatable, which is why her work attracts a lot of viewers. Brands in the fashion, beauty, and fitness industries have all teamed up with Jada because of her adaptability and the rapport she has with her audience. Whether she's modeling swimwear, trendy streetwear, or high fashion ensembles, she always brings her unique confidence and natural flair to every look. Her athletic, curvaceous form gives her a great presence on camera, helping her stand out in any style she wears. Fitness and wellness play a huge role in her lifestyle as well. Motivating fitness videos, self-care tips, and encouraging reminders about the importance of mental and physical health are commonplace on Jada's social media accounts. Her devotion to blending beauty, health, and honesty is one of the reasons her impact continues to rise so rapidly. As her platforms develop, Jada has accumulated an estimated net worth of around $200,000, garnered from modeling contracts, sponsorships, brand collaborations, and her highly engaging social media content. Her accomplishment shows that with focus and perseverance, the internet world may open doors to a prosperous profession. Jada Adriana Olivarez is more than simply a model. She's an encouraging voice for young creators who dream of making their mark online. Her story teaches us that confidence, originality, and hard effort may carry you further than you ever dreamed. Thanks for watching as we investigate the incredible rise of Jada Adriana Olivarez. If you loved this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Stay tuned for what's coming next.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to